Here is an Adobe Fresco review. Adobe Fresco is a pro printing and drawing app that made for everyone and free for all. You can download it via iOS by selecting or going to the main website. And as you can see, you can also see their compatible devices. So this means that the Adobe Fresco is not compatible on every device. So it really depends on the device that you are going to use. So as you can see, when you click on download for iOS, so you will be redirected to the App Store, which is actually good for those people who are not aware that this is an application that can be downloaded. And as you can see, there are different plans right there. So there is a Creative Cloud Pro, there is a student for teachers, there is a business account. So it really depends on which account or premium account would you choose. So if you want to edit your pictures with a right resolution, download Adobe Fresco on your end.